Hi guys, welcome to Trish Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you Bengali style chicken curry. It is spicy and generally served with steamed rice. It's a comfort food in Bengali houses. This curry is with potatoes. It just tastes awesome. You should try this. They soak in the flavor so well and they just melt in your mouth. Now let's see the ingredients. Chicken 500 grams, 1 big onion paste and 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 small onion sliced, 1 big tomato chopped, 1 tablespoon of cumin coriander powder, turmeric powder, half tablespoon of chili powder, salt to taste, mustard oil. Green chilies, half teaspoon garam masala, green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, tomato ketchup 1 teaspoon. Potatoes cut into big pieces. Marinate the chicken for 1 to 2 hours with half of the onion paste and half of the ginger garlic paste. Chili powder, turmeric, mustard oil, add salt, mix it together with hand, cover it and let the chicken rest in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Shallow fry the potatoes and keep aside. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Add whole garam masala, add sliced onions, fry till it turns golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute till raw smell go away. Add onion paste. Cook until oil leaves the masala. Add all the dry masalas except garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander cumin powder, chili powder and salt. Keep cooking. This masala is well cooked now. Add the marinated chicken and potatoes. Mix well together chicken and fried potatoes with the masala. Cook the chicken on high flame for 8 to 10 minutes without covering the pan until the water dries up. Add the tomatoes and tomato sauce. Saute until the raw smell is gone and oil begins to separate. With a knife, you can check the potatoes are well cooked or not. If the knife is going easily, that means it's cooked, and if not, then you have to cook it for more time. Add water. And bring the curry to a boil. Cook for another 4 to 6 minutes on low heat with covering the pan. The chicken and potatoes are well cooked now. Add green chilies and garam masala. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, then switch off the flame. Our Bengali chicken curry is ready. Serve hot with steamed rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.